Hold up, stop everything you're doing for a second. Seriously, pause the scroll and really look at these images and videos. Now, what if I told you I created every single one of them using completely free tools? In the next few minutes, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you something that thousands of creators have been hunting for. Most of them don't even know this exists yet, and many are still dropping money every month on paid tools that honestly don't deliver half as good. But here's where it gets even better. I'm also going to show you a platform that lets you turn your AI content into real money. And I'm not talking about just AI stuff. It works with any type of content in any niche. The wild part, you keep up to 90% of everything you make. On top of that, the platform is trusted, super reliable, and has almost zero restrictions. That combination is extremely rare in this space. I mean, doesn't that sound almost too good to be true? Yeah, I thought the same thing at first. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in and get started. One of my favorite image generators at the moment is Craiyon. Honestly, I still have no idea why thousands of creators aren't making videos about this tool and going completely crazy over it, because the results are honestly that good. I'm here doing it because someone has to show you how strong this platform actually is. Just from the name Craiyon, you can already tell that the team was very intentional when they built this website. They clearly put a lot of thought into making it simple yet powerful. Let me walk you through the homepage. As soon as you open the site, you see a clean, minimal, and very user-friendly interface. And as you can see, they automatically sign me in. So there's no long registration process, no email verification, no unnecessary steps. You can start creating immediately. Right in the middle, you have a big prompt box, along with some helpful settings options nearby. The next step is pretty obvious and straightforward. You can either write the prompt yourself or go to any AI chatbot to craft a strong one for you, whichever method you prefer. Once your prompt is ready, come back to Craiyon, paste it into the box, and click the draw button. The generation process usually takes between 20 to 60 seconds depending on how busy the servers are. While the image is being generated, you'll see some recommended pictures on the side that are similar to your prompt. I normally just ignore those and patiently wait for my own image to finish. And finally, my first image is ready. Whoa, this looks really nice. The details are sharp, the colors are vibrant, and the overall quality is impressive. Go ahead and download it right now. Let's not stop at one. Here's the second image with a fresh prompt. And again, this one is stunning. Seriously, is this tool really free? Because the results look like they came from a paid premium service. Download this one immediately. To fully prove to you guys that Craiyon is completely free to use, I'm going to generate 2 more images right now. We'll repeat the exact same easy process. Here comes the third image. And damn, this one right here really ate. The composition is strong, the style is on point, and the details are excellent. And finally, the fourth image. I expected nothing less. Every single generation keeps delivering high quality. So yeah, write the name down, save it, bookmark the website, whatever you need to do. Craiyon is quietly becoming one of the best image generators out there, and I believe it's about to blow up and become the next IT girl in the AI space. Second on the list, Free Video Gen Online. Now this next one right here is an absolute gem. It's completely free and 100% stress-free to use. If you love the idea of bringing static images to life and turning them into smooth animated videos, but you really don't like stressing over complicated prompts, tweaking dozens of settings, or dealing with confusing interfaces, then this tool was made exactly for you. The name of this tool is Free Video Gen Online. Let me show you exactly what you'll see when you visit the site. As soon as you land on the homepage, you're greeted with a very clean, straightforward, and beginner-friendly interface. There's no sign-up required at all, no account creation, no email verification, nothing. You can jump straight into generating videos without any barriers. Right in front of you, you'll notice 2 main areas. There's a clear upload box where you can add your image, and right beside or below it is the prompt box where you type your instructions. The whole layout is simple and intuitive, which makes the entire process feel effortless. Here's how easy it is. First, choose the image you want to animate and upload it into the box. Once the image is loaded, move over to the prompt box. This is where you get to be creative. You can write a short description or a more detailed one about how you want the image to move, what kind of atmosphere you're going for, or the type of animation you want to see. Don't overthink it, just write what comes to mind. After that, all you have to do is click the generate button and wait for a little while. And wow, just wow, the video is ready. The animation looks surprisingly smooth and natural. The image truly comes to life in a beautiful way. The quality is impressive for a completely free tool. Go ahead and download it right away so you don't lose it. But let's not stop after the first one. I always recommend creating at least a couple of versions so you can compare. Upload the same image again, or pick a different one. This time play around just a little. You can tweak the prompt slightly, make it more specific, or adjust any small settings that are available. Then click Generate again. Ooh, This second video looks really good. The movement feels smoother, the details from the original image are better preserved, and the overall result is even more impressive than the first one. Definitely download this version too. This tool is perfect when you just want fast, simple, and enjoyable image-to-video generation without any headaches. It removes all the usual stress and lets you focus on being creative instead of getting lost in technical details. Third on the list, Faceless AI. And right here we have a selection of tools that are not as widely known yet, but they're honestly some of the strongest options available right now for AI video generation. Some of them are completely free to use, while others give you generous free credits every day. Either way, they all make the whole process much more accessible. Let's start with Faceless AI. Faceless AI stands out as a fantastic choice for generating videos because it makes the entire content creation process fast, simple, and highly creative, even if you're just starting out. You can easily turn simple text prompts or existing images into short videos without needing any advanced editing skills. This saves a massive amount of time compared to doing everything manually in traditional editing software. The platform works especially well for creating TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, presentations, and all kinds of creative projects. It brings together text-to-video, image-to-video, automatic captions, cool effects, and smart AI editing tools all inside one easy interface. This makes it perfect for creators who want to experiment with different ideas quickly, improve their storytelling, and produce visually impressive content without spending money on expensive equipment or complicated programs. And the best part? The credits are very affordable. You can get them starting as low as $5 to $10. Next up, Video AI. Next up we have Video AI. Video AI is another powerful video generator that lets you create professional-looking videos quickly and with minimal effort. It can transform your text prompts or images into complete videos in roughly 1 minute. On top of that, it supports high-quality AI voiceovers in more than 50 different languages, and it automatically adds captions, smooth transitions, and effects that are perfect for social media. What makes it really strong is how it combines multiple advanced AI video models into a single platform. This allows you to produce cinematic videos, animated clips, or polished marketing content much more efficiently than before. It also comes packed with millions of stock assets, strong image-to-video tools, and flexible format options. Whether you're a content creator, student, marketer, or complete beginner, Video AI makes fast, creative, and high-quality video production feel easy and achievable. And you only pay as low as $2 to $5 to get started with credits. Then, Volate AI Video Generator. Then we also have Volate AI Video Generator. Volate AI is excellent for creating cinematic videos because it lets you turn text prompts or images into high-quality clips with speed and ease. The tool supports both text-to-video and image-to-video generation. It delivers clean 1080p resolution and removes watermarks so your final videos look polished and professional. It shines when making content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, storytelling videos, and other creative projects. The focus is on fast generation, smooth animation, and beginner-friendly controls. You can produce visually realistic videos without needing expensive editing software or years of experience. This makes the whole process of content creation much faster and more accessible for both experienced creators and students who are just getting started. Fourth tool on the list, Multimodel Generator, Images plus Videos. This next tool is genuinely impressive because it can create both videos and images all in one place. You get full freedom to choose exactly what you want to generate, whether it's a still image or a full video. What really makes this platform special is the huge selection of powerful models it offers. You have access to Grok Imagine, Seedance, Seedream, Google Video, and many other strong models. On top of that, they give you free daily credits every single day, plus extra credits just for watching a couple of short ads. The first time I came across this site, I honestly thought, wow, we just hit the jackpot with this one. It really feels like we won big. So today, let's start with image generation, and I'll walk you through the whole thing step by step. First, head over to the home page. Look for the Create button and click it. You might have to answer a couple of quick questions, then sign in or create your account. Right after signing up, you land straight on the generation screen. This is also where you can claim your daily free credits immediately. So don't forget to do that. Now here's the fun part. Go to any chatbot you like, Grok, ChatGPT, Claude, wherever you usually get your prompts. Craft a strong detailed prompt for the image you want. Copy it, come back to the website, paste it in, and hit generate. A short while later, your first image is ready. Go ahead and download it right away. But don't stop there. I strongly recommend repeating the process. Use the same prompt again, or make small changes. Very often, the second generation already looks noticeably better, cleaner details, better lighting. Let's keep going, and create that third image. While this one is generating, Take a moment to explore the website. You'll see there are multiple different image models available. Each one has its own strengths. Some are fantastic for realistic photos. Others shine with artistic or cinematic styles. Try switching between them, test the same prompt on a few models, and find which one works best for your vision. And just like that, the third image is finished. Looking at it now, I have to say, it turned out pretty good. The details are sharp, the composition is solid, the quality is definitely there. But honestly, I'm still not fully feeling it yet. Something is still missing, and I know we can push it even further. Monetization RM11. Now here's something really interesting for all the creators watching. Let me introduce you to a platform that's quietly changing the game. Room 11. This isn't your average fan subscription or content monetization site. Room 11 was built from the ground up to give creators more power, more control, and most importantly, more money in their pockets. As you scroll through their homepage, you'll quickly see that they position themselves as a premium creator fund platform. And they're not just saying it, they actually back it up. While most platforms take a big cut and only give creators between 60 to 80%, Room 11 offers up to 90% payout. That's one of the highest rates you'll find anywhere. On top of that, they have very few restrictions and deliver a true VIP experience. Let's talk about what actually makes this platform stand out. First, security is top tier. They use strong encryption, full DMCA protection, and you can even block specific users or entire countries if you want. Your content stays protected and private. Second, there's zero cross-promotion. When fans join your page, they only see you, not a bunch of other creators. That means your traffic and earnings stay completely yours. They also offer premium concierge-style support. Think of it as having your own personal team, helping you grow. This is a big deal for serious creators. Switching over is super easy too. You can import all your content directly from OnlyFans, Fansly, or other platforms in just a few clicks. When it comes to making money, there are multiple streams, subscriptions, live streaming, video calls, private chats, tips, and a strong referral program that can boost your income even more. One of the biggest advantages, they fully support AI-generated content, something many big platforms still ban. Another standout feature is their personal concierge service. These are real professionals who help manage your account based on your personal goals. They can help you schedule content, optimize your pricing, manage live streams, and basically act like a personal manager. Whether you're into fashion, ASMR, gaming, cooking, lifestyle, or any other niche, and yes, even uncensored content, this platform welcomes you. Getting started is simple. You can sign up and begin monetizing your content right away. So if you're a creator who's tired of low payouts, too many restrictions, and losing control of your audience, Room 11 is definitely worth checking out. The link is in the description below. Go take a look and see if it's the right fit for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more real AI tools and creator platforms. I only bring you the ones I've personally tested. Let me know in the comments. Would you consider switching to a platform like Room 11? Drop your thoughts below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.